Did you know that the average team wastes more than 20 hours per month as a result of poor collaboration and communication? That's a month and a half each year that teams are not being productive. Yikes! Silos are costing your teams and your organizations some serious time and money, not to mention turnover with unhappy team members. And we can do better. Hi, I'm Darcy Roberts of Spiral by Design Consulting, and I want people to love their work. I've been helping teams strengthen their collaboration and connection muscles since 2017. I believe that a team that plays together unlocks greater connection, collaboration, and gets more stuff done with a lot less drama. What's my version of play? Lego serious play, and yes, it's a real thing. It's based on the idea that our hands connect to 70 to 80% of our brains. That's a lot, okay? Which means anytime we're using our hands, we're able to access more of our brain, which allows for greater creativity and new connections to be made. So, if it's time for a fresh look at the way you do business, let's talk. If there's too much drama, conflict, or silence between team members who've been around for a while, or you've got new team members who haven't yet integrated into the group, let's talk. Bring out the best in your diverse teams with this dynamic and collaborative approach. Because everybody builds and everybody shares. You're going to hear from the CEO and the person at the front desk, because you can't sit on the sidelines in a Lego Serious Play workshop. And everybody gets their own 49-piece Lego kit, just like this. If you've got questions, I've got answers. Email me if you're curious about Lego Serious Play and what a workshop might do for your organization. Let's play with purpose and get your teams firing on all cylinders, because that's when the real magic starts to happen. I look forward to meeting you at the intersection of work and play.